Michelle at the Huron Public Library, and I am here to do week 4's craft, the confetti popper. I thought these would be great to do for the 4th of July. They're a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and get started. You should have your kits already. You picked them up curbside, and let's take a look at what's inside. So you have your confetti, a balloon, the instructions, stickers, and a piece of construction paper. Okay. You're also going to need scissors, toilet paper tube, and some tape. Okay, so let's take a look at the instructions, and it says, step 1, knot the balloon and cut off the tip. Stretch the balloon tightly around the toilet paper tube and secure it in place with a strip of tape. So we're gonna take our balloon, okay, and you're gonna knot it. I'm going to tie a knot in the end. You're not going to put air in it. Okay, there we go. Got it tied. And when it says to cut the tip, that means the tip, the bottom end of the balloon. Okay, so here we're going to give it a cut about a quarter of the way in. Okay. So that we don't need any more. And it kind of sticks together. There we go, yay. Okay, so now we have that. Just want to kind of give it a little stretch all the way around. Okay, then we're gonna take our tube, and the easiest way to do it is to just put it right on the top, and you want to have your knot pretty much in the middle, so it's like that. Now we're going to put a piece of tape around it just to make sure that it stays put. Okay. Okay, so that is step 1. Now we are going to use paper, stickers, markers, glitter, etc. to decorate the tubes. So first you're going to use your construction paper, and what you want to do is measure it according to your tube, and I found a good way to do it is just to fourth the paper. So if you fold it into 4s, which it already is in your packet, then you can just cut it like so. Okay, so now I want to cut it, give it another cut. Okay. There we go. So this could be extra if you wanted to make more. So I'm going to start like this, and I'm going to make it even with this part, with the end of it, and then this one's going to overlap a little bit, and that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to secure it with a piece of tape, or 2 pieces of tape. Okay, got that, so looks like this, and then I am just going to roll it up as evenly as possible. Okay. And then I'm once again going to secure it here with tape. Okay, so it stays on there. Mine kind of overlaps a little bit, so I'm going to clean it up just a little bit and get that off. There we go, that's better. Okay, so now you have your paper on your tube, and the Next step is just going to be to decorate it. You can use markers, crayons, pens, the stickers that were provided. They're kind of a fun 4th of July colors, scenes. So you can go ahead and decorate that. And I'm just going to throw a couple cute stickers on here. Okay. Do this one here. Okay, and how about this cute little blue glitter star? Okay, so here's my little decorated. Okay, so now your popper is ready to pop. So I'm going to put everything else to the side now. Okay, you have your confetti. Now understand this is all the confetti you have. You can use this several times, okay? When I do it, I use about a pinch at a time. Okay. And go ahead and you pull it down. The instructions say to launch the confetti, pull down on the bottom knot of the balloon and let it go. The confetti will shoot up into the air with a loud pop. Okay, you can load it again. And that's that. So you still have more confetti to go. It's just a fun firecracker without the fire to do. So I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this fun little craft. You can make more. You have plenty of supplies. You just need the paper towel or toilet paper tubes. Have a happy, wonderful, safe 4th of July, and I will see you next week. I'm Danielle at the Huron Public Library.